So this was the hotel we were staying in for the night. And as I said in the vlog, in Kosovo they somehow don't build up the facade. Everywhere. I don't know why. They say because it has to dry for 5 years, but... Good joke. So we arrived in Ohrid city and wanna take a look at it, and I found my sunglasses in the car and haven't put them on yet on this travel, so there's no sun, but I thought it looks cooler. Let's look at Ohrid.
Let's have a walk and watch the 350 something churches.
Oh yeah, 365 churches in this city, so for each day you can go in a different church. Wikipedia. Okay, those guys were celebrating their final exam of their school. Very nice. And we just met a couple who were going by bike from Spain to China. I filmed their website, check it out. Awesome people.
That's what I call a church. The Yugo car, you only see it on the balcony. glaube, die Zeit des Jugos ist vorbei.
Now we're talking. Okay, we wanted to leave Ohrid now in direction Skopje, but Jan wants to get some Radkappen, some things for his wheels. Those things, I'll show you. Those things for his wheels. In this nice store. Autokosmetika. Guys, we arrived in Skopje and I'm gonna show you our apartment here for 25 euros. Here is the bedroom. Let's take a look. That's the entrance. Here we can hang up our clothes. This is the bathing room, yeah, shower, everything there. And this is the living room. Jan is hanging out. This is our flat screen. This is our kitchen. And this is our balcony. Look at this amazing view. And I've asked the guy who rented out this apartment, and he told us, yeah, you pay to buy it 1,100 euro per square meter about for an apartment like this. So 50,000 euro for this 45 square meter apartment. But then the average salary in Macedonia is 300 euro per month.